Area hello, they welcome for football in Pidgin. After match talk how you see them. Chelsea 3 and Wolves 0, and we get Starchy will be like in a very ogbonge Chelsea fan. Make on tell us about how you see Chelsea performance. Starchy, 3 points and 3 goals for Chelsea. Clean sheet can't even see join now. That one I be like say that be the bread and butter. How you see Chelsea performance for this game?
First and foremost, if you fair observe the Chelsea JC when I here,
Sharp.
you go see say na number 3 the right put.
Not be like.
You understand? So the 3 goals when they deliver for the match.
That the right for your JC.
You understand? They deliver the 3 goals based on the JC. You understand? Based on Chelsea too on the norm. Chelsea they deliver. You know, understand? So it was a very impressive performance from Chelsea today. Right from the AC Milan match, I thought they observed Chelsea say their football does still change some more. So we use AC Milan. From my own side though, I really say we use AC Milan to pick form for today's match.
All right, now you don't talk say Chelsea use AC Milan to pick form, but in general, with all this football they see, where Chelsea they play under this new manager Graham Potter. Now, wait till you get to talk about this new pattern or new style, or waiting you they see in general. Chelsea under Graham Potter, you the think say difference there with waiting Chelsea be they play under Thomas Tuchel.
Okay, first and foremost, from my observations, first and foremost, it's too early to first compare Graham Potter with Thomas Tuchel because Graham Potter just come. And if you observe, now only a few matches in the play, at least 3 matches or so. You understand? So first and foremost, it's too early to first compare the two of them. But so far, I see say Chelsea does still improve. But I'm not going to judge based on the manager because the manager just they come. If he say normally, I say Tuchel, now see the Chelsea. This ball that they play now, so they first still play the ball because now so Chelsea matter be. They flop sometimes and they deliver sometimes. You understand? And so football be too. So from my own perspective, I'm not reason I'm saying any change don't do for the football yet. But mostly they observe whether Graham Potter will still deliver.
So now which player can be your man of the match for today's match?
Personally, my man of the match for today's match na Gallagher. Now I go give. Because I don't the talk since the match start from the beginning say this Conor Gallagher they deliver and I like he kind of football when they play. The boy just they suit me for body. So they only match, only game now just they watch because he kind of football, a very sweet football. And if you observe our last match, now he still deliver us. One would say win the match. If not, now 1-1 that match for him. You understand? So for me, now Conor Gallagher be my man of the match.
All right, now make I ask you about one Chelsea player will be like say the cause argument for inside the social media lifestyle normally. Make I ask you about Reece James. Currently, with what Reece James they play, you think saying that Reece James be the best right back for the world?
For me, I won't I'm not go there how they speak the English pass now. Okay. Make I not play Wayo for this one.
You don't play Wayo.
I'm not go play Wayo. Generally, they always compare Reece James with Arnold. But from what I don't see, for you to be a complete 2, but for modern football now, they go say, okay, now based on right back when they push forward,
attack.
Now they say they judge which right backs have you play pass. But for me, I feel say the way they're supposed to judge right back, now the ability for you to go front and still come back or cover. And if you observe Reece James, now waiting is the exact football when Reece James they do with that. And for the front, top notch. For the back, top notch. Now very solid defender and a very solid striker. So for me, now Reece James, that be my number 1 man.
Okay. So we'll make I ask you about Chelsea next game now. Chelsea next game now against AC Milan for UEFA Champions League. You think say Chelsea go win that game?
Chelsea against AC Milan. That match, I'll be Chelsea fan, but I'm not going to write AC Milan off. Because if AC Milan, personally, AC Milan, they be very hard side normally to play. AC Milan get experience for Champions League too. Not be today football they don't play. You understand? So personally for me, I'm not going to write AC Milan off. That match for me, if you say that match if end draw, or if it's too much, as a Chelsea fan, I go still support my team. Is it that Chelsea win or they go draw the match? I'm not going to write AC Milan off for that match.
All right now, Starchy, thank you for your time, your face show.